Vechain is one of the hottest blockchain projects out there. The VET token has been discussed by many analysts over the past. Now it is time to have our Investors Cube analysts take a look at this exciting project. Ready? Let's see what our analysts think in this VET price prediction. Before we get into the video, allow us to mention that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. We would recommend you ensure that you conduct a due diligence process before making any decision that may affect your financial portfolio. If you are looking forward to seeking external advice, head out to your trusted financial advisor, who has a clear idea of your financial situation. Having said that, let us get into this video. Vechain information technological innovation has resulted in significant changes, particularly in the area of blockchain solutions. The outstanding Vechain trade platform has now eliminated the time-consuming practices that have slowed the organization's expansion. This one-of-a-kind blockchain-based corporation is critical in making an organization's functions more resourceful and procedures more well-defined. Let's have a look at the current state of Vechain and the Vechain price forecast for the future. Behind-the-scenes saga of Vechain. Sunny Liu, the brains behind this blockchain-based technology, realized his objective in 2015. Which was to perfect the supply chain and product management lifecycle. Sunny Liu brought his extensive knowledge in the area with him to this enterprise, having previously worked for Louis Vuitton China. Vechain is the comprehensive solution for supply chain enhancement requirements, according to the foundation. Vechain deserves credit for introducing fundamental changes to the product lifecycle through an effective management system. While Vechain's roots can be traced back to Ethereum code, its core features are now used in payment networking, voting, smart contracts, and a variety of other applications. Developers may now deliver features tailored specifically for corporate clients thanks to Vechain's creative solutions. Vechain keeps track of and verifies all information related to supply chain movement, ensuring even more security. Vechain's mission to comprehend Vechain Foundation, one must first consider its origins. The fundamental motivation for forming this type of blockchain company was to address the challenges that the logistics industry was facing, particularly in terms of dispersed and imbalanced data. While the sector deals with large data flow on a regular basis, the core issue of making this data communicable and well streamlined has gone unsolved. In the vast majority of cases, severe compartmentalization forces the entire supply chain management to rely on centralized data sources. As a result, a data transmission was created that was less authentic and hazier. Rendering multi-dimensional transformations with Vechain. The identities formed in a digital mode on the Vechain token VET are in charge of increasing accountability in the entire supply chain management. The Vechain or VET development solution's fundamental goal is to improve supply chain management and product lifecycle management. This goal is achieved through the usage of Vechain's distributed ledger technology, DLT. Vechain has enabled surveillance using NFC and RFID, radio frequency identification, chips. At the same time, the Vechain blockchain technology has enabled the usage of QR codes in supply chain management. The tags and sensors are critical to Vechain's operation. Vechain may use this to track and supervise critical data in supply chain operations. This data is relayed in real time via the blockchain technology. This approach helps the business analysts in flawless and rapid data management based on an authentic verification system. This strategy is of paramount importance, especially for large complex supply chains. As a company, Vechain helps enterprises keep constant vigil and business updated based on concurrent developments. Vechain has facilitated a less cumbersome and more effective proof of authority consensus through Know Your Customer verified nodes enabled by the VET Foundation. Undoubtedly, thanks are due to Vechain constituted gigantic networks. Businesses can use Vechain to keep track of a massive amount of data. Quality, authenticity, storage temperature, and transportation status are some of these indications. All of these advantages are provided by the Vechain platform, which boasts a trustless and distributed business ecosystem. The Vechain platform saves overhead and promotes accountability in this way. Many people wonder if Vechain cryptocurrency is just another market fad or if it has a long-term future. That is a self-evident answer. Of course, regardless of current pandemic-related concerns, Vechain VET has a bright future ahead of it. This viewpoint is bolstered by the numerous well-known strategic alliances that the Vechain platform has forged, which serve as a solid foundation for its long-term stability and growth. Vechain Strategic Partnerships Company's involvement in Vechain is not restricted to logistics, but rather spans a wide range of industries in which to form collaborations. Vechain has been proactive in forming strategic alliances and closing important deals with well-known organizations, which helps us in our VET price prediction. The following are some of the firms with whom Vechain has formed partnerships. In January 2018, DNV GL, which specializes in audit and certification services for ships and offshore structures, announced a deal with Vechain for a digital assurance solution for the food and beverage industry, as well as audits and data gathering. Since May 2017, PriceWaterhouseCoopers, PwC, a major auditing and consulting firm, has partnered with Vechain to provide improved product verification and traceability to its clients. Since September 2016, Kina & Nagel, a well-known company in transportation and logistics, has been a dedicated partner with Vechain using blockchain technology to smarten parcels and assets. By equipping luxury products with a chip with a private key that reflects ownership information on the blockchain, especially expensive goods. BMW Group has teamed up with Vechain for a proof of concept on blockchain storage for car data storage and secure, controlled distribution to third parties. Since July 2017, Groupe Renault, a French MNC vehicle manufacturer, has partnered with Vechain for data privacy and protection capabilities. Since April 2019, Haier, a large Chinese consumer home appliance company, has teamed with Vechain to deploy blockchain and IoT technology. Vechain Analysis. Making impossible possible Internet of Things, IoT. Vechain has been a forerunner in the development of IoT and DLT technology. As previously stated, the seeds of Vechain were sown with the primary goal of IoT integration in mind. It alludes to the current worldwide network of billions of smart devices in use for new IoT gadgets. Wise gadgets or machines has the capability or surveillance expertise required for Internet data exchange. To give an example from today, these gadgets could include anything from televisions to doorbells to the cell phone you're always on. The combination of IoT with blockchain technologies is seamless and in perfect coordination. As previously said, the groundbreaking blockchain technology enables authentic, efficient, and cost-effective data monitoring tools. Undoubtedly, Vechain emerges as a pioneer with exemplary expertise to assimilate both technologies, providing excellent integrational benefits. B. Token Vantage, 2-in-1. It is fair to argue that Vechain has inherited certain useful strategic steps from Ethereum, particularly its dual token mechanism, which has a substantial impact on the VET price. This blockchain ecosystem enables one token to be utilized as a public investment and/or digital currency, while the other provides brilliant contract execution and programming. Ethereum's Ether and Neo's Gas are both reflections of this type of dual strategic framework. Vechain, on the other hand, isn't copying this method for no reason. The primary motivation for borrowing this system is to improve control efficiency. The only purpose of blockchains is to establish supervision models in a risk-free and all-encompassing environment. Another solid foundation for this deliberate copycat tactic appears to be a stale, predictable economic model for blockchain and a large market capitalization. C. Vechain Tokens, VET. Many people are aware that the cryptocurrency VET token is the cynosure in the trading platform where VET tokens are invested in a crypto market exchange. It serves as a value within the Vechain blockchain as well as an increment of VET price action. Vechain's potential for positive VET price increases is enormous. It has the ability to transport value across a blockchain project while also enabling smart contracts. It's similar to how consumers in the cryptocurrency market pay for transaction fees on dApps that run on the Vechain network. There are almost 66,760,741,299 VET tokens in circulation right now. The Vechain system is set up to issue a total trade volume of 86,712,634,466 VET, with a market capitalization of $5,691,479,805. With the kind of fame growing and the Vechain VET price hitting new highs on a regular basis, it's no wonder that the VET currency is one of the top 15 cryptocurrencies in the world, based on market cap, the huge crypto price appeal. Price prediction for VET, bull or bear? Vechain news from an investment standpoint in the crypto market is widely variable, as evidenced by the current price and Vechain projection from the previous year. According to the forecast analysts of Wallet Investor Market Prediction and Technical Analysis, Vechain Price Prediction over the next 5 years might be trading at $0.318 based on current momentum and VET price today. This Vechain prediction is quite bullish and upbeat. The Trading Beasts forecast tool also provided a relatively impartial technical analysis of the present price of the VET token for the next year, stating that, according to Vechain predictions, the VET price might range from $0.065 to $0.073 by the end of the year. These Vechain price predictions for 2022 are presented in a neutral manner, with no indication of optimism. The following are our Vechain price forecasts for the coming years. VET price prediction 2022. The market appears to be optimistic, according to Vechain price predictions, and it may reach $0.056 in 2022. The prospective price of Vechain's token may rise to 5 cents in the near future, providing a nice return by the end of the year. Our Vechain price forecasts are not intended to be taken as investment advice. To reduce risk in such a turbulent market, investors should conduct their own study on VET price analysis, support levels, and resistance levels. VET price prediction 2023. Our Vechain forecast shows that the expected VET price might be $0.063. There are numerous VET price forecasts or Vechain price predictions out there, but our Vechain forecast shows that the expected VET price could be $0.063. According to Vechain's bullish forecast, the price will reach $0.067. Given the increase in market capitalization, the maximum price might reach $0.070. 2024 VET price prediction so far. The Vechain price prediction for 2024 appears to be optimistic. Throughout the year, the Vechain price is expected to hover around $0.068 and reach a maximum low of $0.055. The coin's current price is around $0.045, and long-term investors will gain from holding the VET token at this price. Vechain price prediction 2025. In terms of long-term Vechain price predictions, the digital coin price projection expects that the VET price will skyrocket, possibly reaching $0.093, according to its technical research. The Vechain price projection for 2025 indicates that the price could reach 0.08 in the fourth quarter. Another Vechain projection site predicts that the VET price will continue to rise, reaching $0.095 by the end of 2025. Other long-term Vechain price forecasts are extremely optimistic, with the Vechain price forecasting at $0.098 by 2025. Our honest price forecasts for Vechain VET are that it will have to work harder if the coin price wants to assume and affirm its bullish position in terms of the Vechain 2025 price prediction. If Vechain VET breaks the psychological barrier of 8 cents, it will start a large bullish momentum. If it breaks the $0.080 mark, and more companies are building on Vechain VET, it will start a massive bullish momentum. If the next bull run begins, Vechain's price may easily rise to 10 cents in the next decade, according to Vechain price predictions. Forecasts should not be utilized to base a decision to buy VET coins when utilizing Vechain price prediction or VET price prediction based on technical analysis, historical data, and other metrics. So, that is our analysis on the Vechain project and the VET price prediction. Thank you for stopping by to watch. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Make sure the bell notification is turned on so you don't miss any new information from us. Also, don't forget to share your investing opinions. In our next one, we'll see you all again.